Welcome back. This video is about either type from the Dart package. This is how we handle error clearly using clean architecture instead of messy try-catch blocks everywhere. We use well-defined and type-safe error handling. Let's look at the traditional error handling. The problem here is, what do we return on error, null or empty list? The caller cannot tell if it was an error or just the empty data. Error details are lost. Easy to forget error handling. We need something better. Either is a type that holds one of two values, left or right. By convention, left hold a failure error, right hold a success, that is the data. Think of it like a box that contains either an error or data, never both. This reads as either a failure or a list of products. If something goes wrong, we get left server failure message. If it is a success, we get right, that is the product list. The beauty is you must handle both cases. Compiler enforce it. Let me show you how we will use the either in our application. Let's create a small dummy file in our repository, test.dart. Repository returns either. On success, wrap in right. On error, wrap in left with the appropriate failure type. You can see here, this one. So in the provider, how we will use this? We will put the sample code here. We use here fold to handle both the cases. First function handle the left error and the second handle the right success. You can see here failure and the success one here. You cannot forget to handle the errors. The code would not compile without both the cases handled. This is explicit, type safe and the clear. Beside fold, either has other useful method also. We have isLeft. It will return true if error. Is right, it will true if success and get the value, and we have to use it very carefully. Then we have this get or else, that will be get the right value or the default value. Then we have the map that will transform the right value. Fold is the most common, but these are the handy in specific situations. Let me emphasize why either is so powerful. First, explicit contract. When you see either failure or data, you know exactly what to expect, no surprises. Second, force handling. The compiler would not let you ignore errors. This prevents the bugs. Third, error details. The failure contains a message and a type. You can show appropriate UI for the different errors. Fourth, clean flow. No try-catch, scatter everywhere. Error flows through the same channel as a data. This is a functional programming in Dart. This will make your code significantly better. To summarize, either holds success or the failure, not both. Left is error, right is success. Use fold to handle both cases. Compiler enforces error handling. So now we are completed with the module 2, that is we are now our core layer done and understand the key patterns. In the next module, that is the module 3, we will start building the domain layer, entities, repository, contracts and the use cases. So this is where we define our business logic. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.